two Aston Martins are brothers, but my two Ferraris are sisters. You may not understand that, but I do. But there's a lot of things about the world that I understand that you don't. Clearly, by my fucking car park. I bet you have like a car payment. I go to work every month, and I get my Tesla, and I pay some payment. Bruv, money's not even fucking real. You're going to work for money is not even a real thing. They type it into a computer and enslave you. If they can make it up from the sky by typing it into a computer, and you'll do whatever the fuck they say for this thing they've just made up, even asinine dumb shit like sweep a floor, which you would do for enough money, then you're their slave. Money's not real. I strongly recommend, before you go to work tomorrow, you spend the next 3 hours understanding money and where it comes from and just how not real it is. Because once you get on the other side of the wall, once you break out of the fish tank and you evolve, once you stop being a little fish in brokey ocean and grow legs and go to the land like I am, you realize it's all garbage, it's all made up. Isn't it, G? Then you get sister Ferraris and brother Aston Martins and Bugatti scooters and mansions, private jets and boats, go to jail. It's great. It's great. And you're here with a car payment like a dummy. I'm going to pay my car payment. Can't pay my bills. Inflation's so bad. The price of food is out of control. For you brokies it is. I don't have a fucking clue what food costs. And you know what? I'm not even an elite. I'm just a poor guy with lots of money. I'm from the streets. I'm from a Luton Council estate. And I now, after 10 years of being rich, have no fucking idea what a loaf of bread costs. I could guess a couple dollars, but I actually don't know. I don't know how much bread costs, don't know how much meat costs, don't know how much anything costs. When I go into a restaurant, I've never looked at the price in years. Give me these 5 dishes, 1 bite of each, throw the rest away. Who cares? Money's not real. It's not, everything's free. Everything's free. I don't know the price of anything. I don't even look at the price of the fucking Ferraris I buy. They announce a new car and I just call my dude. Give me 2 sisters to fuck. Money's not real. Nothing's real. Financial system's not real. Medical system's not real. The World Health Organization and their bullshit. Judicial system ain't real. All these systems you rely on are all a scam. It's all fake. It's all made up. Nothing's actually real in this world. We live in a simulation. And I'm actually, with my brilliant mind and particularly potent astuteness, have realized that in every single period of human history, there have been losers and winners. You know? Doesn't matter if you were in the Han Dynasty in China, or you were the Aztecs, or the indigenous Americans. It doesn't matter where you were from. Zulus. At every point in history, there were winners and there were losers. And in this incarnation of the reality we're living in this version of the universe, those losers just happen to be you. Enjoy your car payment. Let's get the cash.